Hi friends, in this video, we will learn how to find out the fifth root of such a big number. If the number is this or number is this, and how to find out the fifth root of such a big number just in few seconds, guys. So the very first thing is, let us say any two-digit number. I'm taking an example of, let's say, 58. If I multiply 58 times 58 times 58 times 58 times 58 5 times, what I'm getting is this number. Now our job is, this number will be given to us and we got to find out the fifth root, which is 58. Now very interesting thing is, any number you multiply 5 times, then the last digit of the answer and the last digit of your number always the same. So the number given here has got an 8 as the last number. So instantly we can find out 8 must be the last digit of the original number. So out of the two numbers like 5 and 8, last digit 8, I can get it instantly in just fraction of a second. Now, only the thing I got to get it is another number, which is 5. To get the number 5, there is a bit of a process. So just like stay with me and then you can understand, guys. So a couple of things we got to understand, guys, like 10 power 5 is 100,000, 20 power 5 is 3.2 million, 30 power 5 like this. Yeah. So these are the things we go to remember. Now you feel like, oh my God, how I'm going to remember all these things? But you don't need to remember exactly actually, but just like a bit of an idea, like let's say 20 power 5 is like around like a 3 million. Forget about the last 6 digits, yeah? But just around a 3 million. So let's say if it is a 30 power 5, that if I just neglect this one, it's going to be around 24 million. So I can just remember 20 power 5 is like a 3 million, 30 power 5 is like a 24 million. If it is 40 power 5, it's going to be 102 million. And 50 power 5 is going to be 312 million, like this, guys. Yeah. Power 3, that's like a 777 million. 70 power, sorry, not 3, power 5, my bad. So all these powers are 5. So power 5, if I put it down, it should be 1680 million, like that. Yeah. So if I got like a bit of an idea about how many millions there, and it's going to be really, really easy. So now I'm going to show you guys, let's say, how we can do that. So in the next slide, let us say, I want to find out the fifth root of this big number. What am I going to do is, what is my last number? 3. So definitely the last number of the original number must be 3. So my 50% job is done. Is it not easy, guys? Yeah. Then I'm going to see like how many million around is this number. So for the million, like this 3 number and 3 number, I'll take it off because that's just a million. So it's around a 2073 million. So if it is a 2073 number million, where does it come? 2073, I can see that's coming between 70 and 80. Between 70 and 80. So my first number has to be 7 here, guys. So my first number is going to be 7. So that should be my cube root of this number will be 73. If you do like that in a calculator, you can find it out as well. Yeah. Let's say another number, guys. This is the number. I want to find out the fifth root. So what is the last number? 4. So the original number last digit has to be 4 as well. So I can get that instantly. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to take our last 6 numbers there because that's going to count in a million. So how many million around? 1073 million. And if I go back and check, where does that send? 1073 million. So can you see? That's between like 60 and 70 because 60 is 777 million. 70 is 1680. So it's in between them. So my first number has to be 6. So I can find out like that fifth root is 64. Isn't it amazing, guys? Only the thing is, you need a little bit of a patience just to remember around, not exactly, guys, as I told you, yeah, around how many millions are different things there. But then once you know that, guy, it's going to be amazing. You can amaze your friends like anything. Yeah. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed the trick. Cheers. Bye.